Today we're going to make 1 minute, 2 ingredient instant donuts. Let's go. 1 cup's worth of self-rising flour, and here we have 1 cup's worth of plain Greek yogurt. We're just going to combine the two. Mix it together. Let's get our mitts in there. There we go. Okay, let's form some donut balls. All right, so how many donut balls we got? We got 14 fun little donut balls. All right, here I have my strainer, bowl, scoop these out. And that's all you have to do to make donuts. Now this is a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want to this. I'm gonna show you how to whip up a couple things here. First thing I'm gonna show you, 1 donut, some sugar, toss it around. Simple sugar covered donut. Now we're going to make a very basic glaze for our donuts. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup's worth of butter. I'm just gonna nuke this for 30 seconds. Nuked and melted butter. Add 1 cup's worth of sugar. Add a couple teaspoons worth of vanilla extract. And we're gonna add a little milk, just a little bit. Let's mix this all together. So that's all you have to do to make a very delicious basic glaze for your donuts. Add your donuts in there, like that. And just let it sit on the side to cool. Now we're gonna make a chocolate glaze. All you have to do is take our base glaze here. Let's pour some in here. Get some cocoa powder. Put some in the glaze here, as much as you like. Mix. And that's all you have to do for a chocolate glaze. Grab a donut. Dip it in the chocolate. And there you have a beautiful chocolatey glazed donut. That's all you gotta do to make really simple and delicious donuts at home. I hope you enjoyed that. Check out some of these other great recipe videos over here and support us by hitting that like and subscribe button.